Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Welcome to our talk on improving your security posture with CF for Kates. My name is Paul Warren. I'm the product manager of release integration, and I'm joined by.
Hello, everyone. I'm Piyali Banerjee, and I'm an engineer on the Beyond Kates team.
Great. So what we're going to talk to you today about is patching your running applications. As I'm sure you're aware, there's a feature in CF deployment today that allows you to do exactly this, patch all of your running applications with a single command. And the way that works is we issue a new BOSH release for the CF Linux FS3 release, and our operator would take that and do a CF deployment or a BOSH deploy. And Diego recognizes that this BOSH release has changed, and it will go ahead and patch all of the running applications that are out there, thereby affecting a patch with a single command. But in this new world where CF is running on Kubernetes, how do we achieve that same effect? Piyali is going to explain how this works and take you through a demo.
Thank you for the great introduction, Paul. So yeah, I will first walk through how the stack updates actually happen in CF for Kates before diving into the demo. And stack updates can be split into two phases. The first phase, which is that KPAC rebases the app automatically. And this happens after the platform operator would use kube control to update the cluster stack. And KPAC would automatically rebase all the app images that are using that cluster stack and will generate new OCI images in the configured app image registry as a result. KPAC will also update the corresponding image with this new image reference, as well as a latest build reason, which is stack, and this will be critical for phase 2. Phase 2 is that the CF API controllers, which is a new component that our team made, which includes various controllers, such as the image controller that watches the corresponding KPAC resources and performs certain actions depending on the events that are happening to these resources. So for example, the image controller in this case watches for events on the image resource and sees that there is a latest build reason of stack on this custom resource and a latest image, which is this new image reference for the rebased image. Image controller will then take this new image reference and update the corresponding app stateful set with this new reference. And using the stateful set's rolling update strategy, each of the pods, which represents the app instances for the apps, will one at a time have this new image reference deployed in them. And this is how we're optimizing the Kubernetes native technology of this rolling update strategy, for example, to make this happen in a very automatic and seamless manner. And finally, the image controller will update the corresponding app's droplet in CCDB so that in following pushes of the app will automatically have this new stack on it. So now I will show the demo of this happening in real time. So here we have, if I do CF apps, we have two apps, a demo Go app and a demo Ruby app. Each has 5 app instances in them. And I'm an operator, and I have a cluster stack over here that, as you can see by the run image, has version 0.0.98 as the run image. But if I know that there's an upgrade and there's a version 99 that came out, I would use kube control to patch this cluster stack and update it to be version 99 instead. And after this cluster stack has been patched, as you can see on the bottom left window, the images are both going to be automatically updated by KPAC with new image references that refer to the rebased image. So let's look at one of these images as an example. As you can see in the status, the latest build reason is stack. And the latest image over here has this particular SHA. If we go to the corresponding stateful set, we'll see that both of these apps, both of these stateful sets are already hard at work with their rolling update strategy to roll out these pods with the new image reference. So this is a very fast process and very cool. But I wanted to show the stateful set of one of them to show how the CF API controllers has updated the stateful set with this new image reference. So as you can see by this OPI image over here, hopefully I got the right stateful set here. Yeah. So this image reference matches the image reference that KPAC returned in the rebased image. And the API controllers is responsible for this stateful set patching. The API controllers make sure that the corresponding apps that are using this new cluster stack will reflect the new rebased image reference that KPAC produced. And
I think the other nice feature about this, Piyali, sorry to interrupt, is that unlike the old world where the operator had to wait for a new release, in this new world, as soon as this new run image is available on the Cloud Native Build Packs website, you're good to patch your CF for K8s deployment.
Exactly. And it's very fast and it's very easy. All you have to do, or all the operator will have to do, is this one line command, and everything will happen automatically.
So cool.
And we definitely, so K9s is a really great tool for observability in general. And as you can see, it's very easy to see what the progress is for all of your apps. But our team is also going to be working on other ways of making the observability of stack updates much better experience for the operators. So look out for some more cool features related to this coming up soon. And we're also planning on updating the related CAPI stack endpoints with this information as well. So you can, with some very fast CF commands, for example, you can see what stack version your apps are using. So yeah, we have a lot of exciting work coming ahead for this as well. And with that, the stack update is complete and all 5 of the instances for each of the apps are ready with the new rebase stack.
Great.
Now, yeah, it's very fast. Now going back to the presentation, I wanted to share some ways that you can reach out to us with questions and feedback. And here for both Paul and my team, the CF API on Kubernetes team, as well as the release integration team, here are the relevant Slack channels, as well as the GitHub pages. In case you run into any issues or anything, feel free to reach out and we'll try our best to help you out.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. So yeah, please post any questions that you have on the demo or anything about stack updates in the Q&A tab, and I'll get to it shortly. Okay, I see a question has come in from Joe Chen. How do you ensure that all apps are compatible with the new stack version? So this is something that is up to the platform operators or to the app devs. And currently for the new stack version, the updates usually include security patches, which are normally not breaking changes or anything. So usually you can safely upgrade to a new stack version because it's purely to address security concerns. And to expand further on that, we do have some stack observability and stack update progress observability plans in our roadmap. And that way the operator would be able to see if any of their apps for some reason have failed in rebasing to the new stack, or, and in that case, some more debugging can be done to diagnose what the actual problem is. We have a few more minutes left for this Q&A session, so if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the Q&A tab. And if you come up with questions later on, you can always reach out to us on the CAPI release channel in the CF Slack, or you could reach out in the CF for Case channel as well. Great. Looks like there are no further questions for now, but again, please feel free to reach out to us on Slack and have a great rest of your summit. Bye, everyone.